How to use grabpay later in the store. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to use grabpay later in the store. First, open your Grab application on your mobile device. Then, tap on Finance at the bottom center of your screen. Now tap on Let's Go to start the setup process. Here, you will need to enter your name as part of the setup. Next, go back to the main Finance section and tap on Add a card to link a payment card if needed. After that, go back and explore other options under Financial Services to see what's available with grabpay later. Finally, check Finance settings to ensure everything is set up correctly. Once everything is set, you can now use grabpay later as your payment method in stores when it's accepted. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.